Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw BT21. In this video, I am going to draw BT21 characters created by Line Friends in collaboration with BDS. Jin as RJ, the alpaca. Jimin as Chimmy, the dog. Jungkook as Cooky, the bunny. RM as Koya, the koala. V as Tata, the heart. J-Hope as Mang, the horse. Sugar as Shooky, the grumpy cookie. Last but not the least, Van. RJ is a loving character who is a big time foodie as Jin loves cooking and eating. Koya is smart sleepyhead. He has removable ears and a purple nose. Do you find koala as cute as RM does? Cooky is a muscular bunny with a tough attitude. Can transform into a huge muscle man when he gets angry. Chimmy is a playful puppy in yellow which represents BDS' overall image as BDS remind people of cute puppies. He is a prince who has huge hard head with transforming powers. His limbs can bend and stretch into weird shape. He is a mystery dancer who keeps his face hidden wearing a mask. Monk's nose is heart-shaped. Shooky is a mini prankster with a badass attitude. He is friends with Cooky but hates milk. Van is the last character of BT21 which was designed by Line Friends designer. It is said to represent armies. And lastly, always remember you are not freak but unique.